How to change language in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora app and now want to change the language of it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After that, tap onto your profile icon at the top right here. And now scroll down and find the option Change Language. And now you can see there are no any options that you can change the language from the Filmora app. So you need to change it from the mobile settings of your mobile phone. So go to the settings app of your mobile, then search for the language option, then tap onto language and you can see something like this. Now to change the language, tap onto add language right here. Now select the language that you want to change into, just like this. And to change it, simply tap onto use button right here. And after doing it, the language will be changed. And that's it. This is how you can change language in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.